everyone, welcome back to Destined Creativity. Yes, so today we are all about recycling. In this video, I used 2 tomato paste jars with a shoe box cover to create a really nice and easy centerpiece. All the material is in the description box below, so let's begin. Starting with a shoebox cover, I'm just using one that I had used before in another project. I'm going to spray paint it with silver, and this will be the base. Using this mirror that I got from the Dollar Tree, I traced it out onto the box, and then I covered the rest of the box with glitter using Podge. I covered it with glitter both on top and on the sides, and then I left it to dry for like 20 minutes, and then I put a sealing layer of Podge so that glitter doesn't have to come off. In this second step, I'm going to use 2 glass jars, covering them up with glitter using Podge, and then I'll leave it out for like 20 minutes to dry so I can put another layer. Now that the first layer is dry, I'm going to use crushed glass so I can put the second layer using Podge as well. You just try to be as slow as you can so the glasses will stick onto the jar. For this next step, I used small foam balls, which I thought would be cute to add onto the arrangement. Cover them up with silver glitter as well, and let them out to dry for a while. And covered again with another layer of Podge to seal the glitter. Thought it would be cute to add another candle holder, so I got one and covered it with glitter as well. Now that everything is dry, I glued the mirror onto the board and then added diamond wraps around the board. And this is the final piece. Oh wow. I ended up adding more design onto the candle holder and just the pearls and the flowers, and I think it's awesome. I put lights in here. I didn't know if I wanted the white lights or the gold, but I think gold is really good. So thank you for watching. If you love this, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more videos that I'll be uploading. Thank you and see you next time. God bless. Bye.